All right, so let's take a look at the most simple packing structure. This is called simple cubic. So we need to draw cubes. So the easiest way to do this is to draw a square and then draw another square that is offset from it and then connect the four corners and you've got yourself a cube. So in a simple cubic structure, you have one atom on each one of the corners of the cube. And although I've drawn them very small, in real life, they're actually occupying the whole region. So that's an eye. You're kind of looking at it from one side. And what it really looks like is four big atoms coming in contact with each other. We just draw them small for simplicity's sake. So some facts that you need to know about this is the atoms per cell. So we have 8 atoms in this cell, right? We have 8 points to the cube. However, they're not all the way inside the cube. They're all only 1/8 of the way in. So in actuality, we only have 1 atom per cell because we have 8/8 of an atom inside of it. Another thing you need to know is the coordination number. The coordination number is just the number of atoms each atom touches. So the number of other atoms each atom touches. And so if you take a look at this cube up here, or you just pick one of these spots, you can see that it's going to touch 1, 2, 3 over here. And then if you think about the rest of the structure, there's actually going to be another 3 there for a coordination number of 6. And so I'll show you a picture that'll demonstrate this much more clearly. And so simple cubic is overall the least efficient packing structure. You've got a lot of space that is simply not occupied. So here's just some kind of better pictures here. So here again, we're talking about a unit cell. So we're just talking about the simplest repeating unit. So here you can see the big simple cubic. We've got one on each corner and they're nice and big. But then when you cut them off, they're each only 1/8 of the way in. And then if you think of any one of these balls, you put them kind of in the center. You think about how many things it's touching 6 things. So for coordination number of 6.